Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AppArmor profiles on Ubuntu VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate AppArmor profiles on your Ubuntu VPS, first, ensure that AppArmor is installed. Open your terminal. Check if AppArmor is running with the command sudo system+status AppArmor. If it is not running, start it using the command sudo system+start AppArmor. To enable AppArmor to start on boot, use the command sudo system+enable AppArmor. Next, verify the status again to confirm it is active. Now, let's check the current AppArmor profiles. Run the command sudo aa status. This will display a list of loaded profiles. To load or activate specific profiles, you'll need to make sure they are properly configured. Navigate to the directory where AppArmor profiles are stored by using cd/etc/apparmor.d. Check for existing profiles that you may want to enable. You can edit the desired profile using a text editor, like Nano or Vim. Use the command sudo nano/etc/apparmor.d/your_profile_name. Make any necessary modifications to the profile rules. After editing, save the file and exit the editor. To load the modified profile, run sudo apparmor_parser r/etc/apparmor.d/your_profile_name. You can check the status again with sudo aa status to see if your profile is now active. If you wish to set a profile to enforce mode, use sudo aa enforce/etc/apparmor.d/your_profile_name. For compliance and debugging, you may want to switch to complain mode with sudo aa complain/etc/apparmor.d/your_profile_name. Regularly check the logs to monitor any violations or issues. Logs can be found in /var/log/syslog. Ensure your applications are functioning correctly with the activated profiles. Make any adjustments as needed based on log outputs. This is how you activate and manage AppArmor profiles on your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.